say speaker o hwe ne profiler sports where this sports a chiache even at school who profile no o research about him o school na no ye part of sporting disciplines 3 different sporting disciplines but o ka sem bi we interview nim and I'm person make na adwene so on say in the interview na speaker per se or highlight say individual performance leaders say or more occupy position bia aya na eboa o man no and it's true but Eugene in the world of football aya na at impempi enye sanete obekaya o make reference to FIFA's secretary oye oba say Senegal ka say Senegal is progressing because that woman is untouchable, that woman is unbeatable when executive of FIFA discussion. Me patcho me twa na dwena si so say me ne ye discussions is here you know. Senegal AFCON omoje e wo CAS and so their secretary still works with FIFA.
On the
better channel. And to be better say in football even though say personal positions, personal profile here, but a middle stage be no or personal profile no ain't me making any decision. And what's say football right and they making that decision. The better what I say. Say let you know as speaker Eka say or influential no. I think that this is the biggest influencer ka Senegal for very free no. Say obetimi a command say per the laws of the game. Yanfa AFCON trophy in Senegal. But we know say there've been series of judicial decisions. I know say as at now, CAS and the train say clear between Morocco and Senegal. They also the CAF and as the AFCON are still you make a decision on it. And individually, you can create a profile for yourself. Ewo CAF status, ewo FIFA status, but no guarantee the nation better performances. Even though say it has a slight role to play, especially ABI draw, some decisions, influences be or a bit coming to bear, but it's not almost all the case. It's not almost all the case. And an individual be from or might be position either CAF and as a FIFA. Able to be an influencing decision when football matters are being discussed. Football is relatively football laws. And 2, Serena Zubekano. Kwesi Nyantakyi became power drunk. Kwesi Nyantakyi gave us good records when it comes to on the field as an FA president. But Eugene, when you say anything monopolized a full nipa, adie bia a monopoly system bia full nipa. Say adie baako constantly the bia unkwana a free unchan ba to an extent say even when na ye person ye next FA president now say it has to be decided by Kwesi Nyantakyi. Until media on the field of play, Kwesi Nyantakyi never disappointed Ghana football, but individually greediness and no omo can no me ye free ho. How can an individual take means of every benefit when it comes to FA discussion? A greediness. One, and Bible so can say greediness will lead to shame. And he had his shame. But media, I think say he didn't disappoint as an FA president. The sad story of Ghana football now, and they say yakwa kwagia to mu say ye extend yen term when after the Anas expose we thought it wise say as Oman Ghana dientia Ema Nyantakyi eye greediness say he had a lot of term as an FA president. It's you that sort of greediness out of your president in T. Your limited term no to only 2 terms. But me no can say. After we elected an FA president after Kwesi Nyantakyi, that term has been tempered. Into me no can say. Kento Kreku has the legal right to contest for another president. Meanwhile, a stage, you know, now Nyantakyi drew here. A man and us esusu say someone has to go for a new brain has to take over Ghana football. I think, sir, what the speaker is telling us is right. Oko FIFA no. Indeed, FIFA and TSA we didn't give Nyantakyi the support. But Bible like I say, and the bebre every animguase. Into only unyana numguase. Now, Eugene, Ashanti Gold petition. Ashanti Gold petition. Anglo Gold Ashanti. Among treating with seriousness. Say you know the supporters a petition almost say intervene, and I know say Anglo Gold Ashanti as a corporate entity omu legal department into quickly assemble baby a chechere aboa ne ho na esa no yes sa ya chechere aboa no we ya chechere aboa no during Congress enti the main susu to Anglo Gold Ashanti ne say omo make omo self relevant about the next FA Congress.
But the main problem is Attakora. Is it say Ashanti Gold in why don't you come together, work hand in hand with FC Ashanti Gold 04? You know your boss team. Na mun fat team name Sam munina the love na nam match good no. And the FA is a good team na. Why don't you come together? Na munina mun working na team no momentum am pese we nya no. We nya the same thing.
Union say oje tradition di, oje history dia. You will side with them, say no. They have to fight for what already existed and in one way or the other collapsed. Almost say time I'm hand it over to champion no. And because I'm intervening, you know, and I'm more that confidence say champion beat me, but unfortunately champion ain't me. Baby, I'm just here, you know, a legal battle. We any emotions. Anglo Gold Ashanti, Otimi ko su nchire GFA. Anglo Gold Ashanti, Otimi ko use any other means. A legal battle and go in because they used Congress, which is a legal meeting for the GFA. And they take your move. And he may plead it to Anglo Gold Ashanti. So petition him. Handle with seriousness. Na omomboa na Ashanti Gold Sporting Club and Samra back. Kakrebi on Tenkla. Union. I like the direction of Kotoko's board. And I think say Ochina I will come and delve much more into Tenkla issue no. But the person at year 4 the confidence they say one the coach coming no will handle a club that club and
about CAF Champions League this second.
Oh meba.
There be no bampesa or tiasa. And I will.
But you kind of one. For a coach to also be a runner up in 2 different competitions, let's say onye a coach or winning trophies.
Maybe as that time place na no more na.
So kon say so am so be kan say. But the person me check Kotoko for adwin sin so say Kotoko is a big club. For that coach to have handled Orlando Pirates and watch the history of South African football any the history Orlando Pirates ekura Eugene say Kotoko ne Orlando Pirates anye pa Kotoko will be slightly ahead of Orlando Pirates. It's a chere or you're that big stage coach. Obetimi handle the pressure at Kotoko. And all handle pressure and Eugene. Obetimi the professionalism every Kotoko team nim. One thing a di Kotoko nya in the previous season a professionalism, especially a camp base. There was no discipline. Omo camp base, omo hostel ho. But looking at the pedigree and the credentials now they ban. For a coach to have handled Orlando Pirates, and the more CAF competitions final. Union, a say Kotoko a man that supporter. Be a Odru final. Kotoko spirit will be able to bring trophy. Until we welcome Tenkla, and we hope say Obenya a very serene environment or the Bayer Juma. So the Bayer with me restore Kotoko back to its glory days. Because Kotoko I no. And your Kotoko say all Africa competitions. The last time under Dr. Kwame Cheyu, we all saw goosebumps on the break Ghana for when Omobo at the Confederations group stages against Nkana and El Hilal mo. That is how Kotoko is known in the history of Kotoko. Obati say Kotoko player be a make name during the era. Union. And you said that player expelled during African Games. Gojo Poku Mahala, me pacho den onya Gojo Poku Mahala. Africa ye. Ere gwabna be queen. Uka ahwe obeka say be queen bo Kotoko 3 years o. The Queen spent only 1 season with Kotoko. But the Queen is the last player. What me winning top scorer for Kotoko. Our CAF stage. So every moment, no matter striker or beba, compare wa. The Queen did pop it up. Near you should be Queen as a tape measure. And they measure your time with Kotoko. And because now more years than Bequin. But because Bequin excelled in CAF competitions, I'm not
0596259444 0560180880.